Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add discounts on BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding discounts on BigCommerce can be done through several methods, depending on whether you want to apply percentage-based discounts or a fixed amount discounts, or even set up coupon codes. But we will explore all of these options. Number one is the easiest way for you to create a discount is going to the homepage wherein you can go to the add a product right here. Now you see we have a separate video on how to add products here in our G Plus YouTube channel that you might want to check out. But we're going to run through to it quickly. All right, so I'm not going to deal with this in details, but instead I'm going to put some information because on the bottom part, all right, for example, we're going to put in some information and an image. Click on OK. I'm gonna drag this to a smaller kind of image. So we have that now. Now on the bottom part here, you see there's gonna be a pricing, right? You can show add pricing, and then there is you see very slowly you would notice that there's going to be a discount for bulk pricing. You can create bulk pricing rules to offer price discounts, all right, based on the quantity breaks. If you want, you can go to the percentage. If you do that, all right, you can add a tier, or if you want to have a fixed amount. And then you also have the if you wanted to offer a dollar off or a unit. Okay, but for now, let's save this. We're going to choose the discount. Click on save. All right, and of course you're gonna need to put in the price over here. All right, click on save. That's one way. Another option of that we can explore to add in discounts in BigCommerce is hover down to the homepage, go to marketing on the left side panel of your dashboard. There's going to be an arrow and click on it. Now you see you have multiple options, promotions and coupon codes. If you click the promotions right here, you're going to be having two options. Is it going to be automatic promotions? Automatic promotions apply when your customer enters the cart or checkout and the conditions of the promotion are satisfied. Right? Or if you want, you might want to click on the coupon. Coupon promotions apply when your customer enters in a valid coupon code in the cart or checkout and the conditions of the promotion are satisfied. If you don't have both, you might want to click on the create option here. You have the two options with a standard editor or with legacy. We're going to click on the standard for now. Enter the name of your promotion here. For example, this one. You have the dates. For example, I'm going to be choosing December for Christmas 24th or 25th. You can add an end date and time if you want, or you can also have the limit availability to particular weeks or days. You also have the option to determine which customers have access to this promotion. Is it going to be in a currency? All right. You can also add a targeting rule, but we're not going to deal with this for now because it requires an advanced tutorial. We have a separate video for this, but for now, you see, you can choose if there's going to be no limit for total usage of promotion or a limit for total usage of promotion. If you click that, you would notice that there's going to be a value. Click on that. And you also have the option allow usage with other promotion. If you want, you can or cannot be used in conjunction with other promotions. All right. For now, we're going to choose the can and create a promotion. we need to add a rule. All right. So is it going to be buy one, get one free? But of course, we're going to click on the discount order subtotal. All right. Apply template. All right. So if the customer buys products reaching quantity, all right, say for example, let's 69 products, all products, all right, discount on some order, percentage is 69, all right, add rule to promotion, and after that, all they're gonna do is click the create a promotion. Obviously, they will get this promotional code once they have meet the certain rule and conditions. All right, that's for automatic. Now we're going to choose on the coupon, and of course we're going to create with that. Now we're going to use the legacy editor because we have used the standard one for that. This time, coupon code is maybe let's currency is all currencies. You can choose a promotion type. Is it going to be shipping discount, product discount, brand discount, order discount, or customer discount? We're going to choose for the customer discount or shipping discount. All right. Orders totaling more than X amount gets free shipping to specific shipping zones, or that. All shipping codes. All the customers with the following. No, we're going to use that. Now here, start date is going to be December 25th. You can also add an end date if you want. All right. Now, we're going to limit number of users per customer. All right. And activate that. And of course, we can put in these options here if you want. Once you're happy with this, all they're going to do is click now on save. All right. So these are some of the options for you to be able to create discounts on BigCommerce. All right. Click on save because BigCommerce offers a wide variety of ways to add discounts to your store. You can simply create again coupon-based discounts or set automatic discounts, and again using the product, or even apply discount to specific customer groups. The platform provides numerous tools for managing your promotions effectively. Now, we're gonna need to fix this problem. Click on save for now. And that's that. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.